Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. Whoa, I am so colorful today. Just in case you like this makeup guys, it is on my Instagram and I will leave the tutorial link right down below, so don't forget to check that out. Alright, so in today's video we're going to be talking about my top 10 favorite vitamin C serums of 2020 and actually of all time. Okay, this is gonna be extra special. It's gonna be my favorite of the decade. Yeah, I've not been using vitamin C for a whole day. Why am I rambling? I do not know. Let's just get started. My very first favorite vitamin C serum is the one from Sugandha, their antioxidant serum. This has 10% vitamin C with Centella asiatica and hyaluronic acid. So this is a very calming, healing, hydrating formula along with a very potent 10% vitamin C. Now what I think about 10% vitamin C is that it is just high enough to see results, but it's not low like a 2.5 or 5% where you have to use it for an extended period of time to start seeing result. And I like the fact that they come in small bottles. This comes in a nice glass jar, dark glass jar. It protects the integrity of the vitamin C serum. Now, a lot of people when using vitamin C serums expect results really fast. You have to give your skin enough time for the cells to create new skin cells, the spots to fade, you know. So for the whole cell turnover, it takes at least 1 month. Now to see a dramatic difference with hyperpigmentation and acne scars, give it at least 2 months of regular usage of vitamin C. And if you want to see results with your fine lines and wrinkles, give it at least 6 months. And then you are going to be mind blown with what this one serum can do for you. Also remember guys, if you are new to using something like a vitamin C, because this is considered an active, you have to slowly introduce your skin to it. So just start by adding 1 or 2 drops to your squalane or your moisturizer and apply it on your face at night, and then slowly progress yourself. You can use it during the day, you can use it during the night, but when you use it during the day, definitely do not forget a sunscreen. And actually vitamin C serum increases the potency of a sunscreen, so using it during the day is a very smart idea. Vitamin C serum, as you know, is amazing to fade dark spots and pigmentation, to reduce wrinkles and increase collagen production. So overall, your skin definitely starts looking beautiful when you use vitamin C serum regularly. But you have to use a good quality vitamin C serum because all the vitamin C serums out in the market are not made the same. The kind of vitamin C used plays a huge role. The kind of packaging used plays a huge role. You have to get something preferably in a glass bottle and a smaller quantity and an opaque bottle, because vitamin C generally, depending on the kind of vitamin C used also, is highly unstable. Now there are many derivatives of vitamin C that are much more stable forms of vitamin C. This is a much more stable form compared to the L-ascorbic acid, which is highly unstable. Also, the delivery system of the vitamin C into your skin is also very important. So it's important to choose a smart formula if you want to really get amazing results with vitamin C serums, you know. Moving right along, my second favorite vitamin C serum is this one from Purito, and this is their vitamin C and hyaluronic acid serum, and this also contains niacinamide. A lot of people are worried to use niacinamide and vitamin C together, but they're actually very good together, especially if it comes in a product like this together, already pre-mixed, because the professionals will have seen to the pH and stabilization and the formula mixing well together and all that. So this is a really good way to get your niacinamide and vitamin C together. But when you are using vitamin C, remember, do not mix it with any other actives like AHAs or retinols. It's just generally best to avoid any active. You technically can if your skin is seasoned to it, but if you are a beginner, like a word of caution, just don't apply all of it together because your skin can get irritated. It can break out and you can react badly to it if you apply way too many products at the same time. Every time you try something new, especially if it is an active, if it is something strong, try one product at a time and start with a very small dosage, like a drop or 2. The third vitamin C serum that I love is from Eclat, and this is their collagen booster vitamin E, hyaluronic and ferulic acid serum. Now this also is a really nice serum. This is more of a silicone based serum, so if you want something that feels like a nice makeup primer on your skin, this is what you would like. I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you about the feeling of the other serums. This is more like a gel. There we go. That's a light gel we have. The Sugandha one has a very similar texture to this. I have completely used this up, so I cannot show you what it looks like. I'm sorry. And the Eclat one looks like that. The Eclat also comes in a nice glass bottle with a pump, which I really like. The Purita comes in a plastic jar, but I like that, it has dark packaging, so it is still protected from light. It's not all the vitamin C serums that has to come in dark packaging, but preferably it's best if it is coming in a dark packaging. But some of these formulas are highly stable. But if you have a vitamin C that comes in a clear packaging, like the next one that I'm about to talk about, put it in your drawer or put it in your refrigerator, so it's always dark and it stays cool and light and air doesn't disturb it. So my next vitamin C serum, which I don't have with me, is the Claire's one. It is an absolutely amazing vitamin C serum. It's very potent, but like I said, because of the clear jar, it can go bad very, very easily. When a vitamin C serum goes bad, it turns yellow or orange. What happens after that is it's just useless. The next vitamin C serum that I want to talk about is one of the best vitamin C serums in the world. Also one of the most expensive vitamin C serums in the world. But if you can get your hands on it, definitely get it. Okay, so that is the Skinceuticals Vitamin C plus E with ferulic acid. So the Eclat is kind of going after that formula, but there is nothing that can compare to the Skinceuticals one. It's a very expensive American brand. It's not very easily available here in India, but it is available in the Middle East if you go to Boots and stuff. So yeah, if you are in the western part of the world, definitely try and get your hands on that. My next favorite vitamin C is the by Wish Trend Vitamin C. It is a 21.5 or 20.5% vitamin C. So it is a very, very highly potent vitamin C, and you should definitely not start with that if you are a beginner in vitamin C serums. But if you are above 40 years or if you are seasoned with actives on your skin can definitely take it. But do not apply that serum every single night. That would be just for once a week or twice a week, like a treatment, once in a while, kind of spa. But that serum is amazing. My next favorite is from Vichy. Once again, not very easily available here in India, but if you are in any other part of the world, it is an amazing tiny little bottle, a glass bottle, which comes in a 2-week supercharged potion. Okay, so if you can get that, it is an amazing treatment. You get a boost, like if you have an event or a function, it's slightly more expensive, of course it's Vichy, but if you have an event, it's your wedding or it's Christmas or New Year, your birthday, start on this like 2-3 weeks before, and you will definitely find your skin just transform in front of your eyes. This is so powerful, so use it at night times, not during the day times, and definitely top up with a good sunscreen during the day every time you use this vitamin C at night. My next favorite is by a brand called Skin Diva. Basically, their vitamin C is a dupe of the Skinceuticals Vitamin C, but a much, much cheaper price. So if you can get yourself the Skin Diva one, it's pretty much kind of like getting the Skinceuticals one, but yeah, easier on the pocket. It is the same vitamin C with ferulic acid and vitamin E. Now, the thing with vitamin E is it also has anti-aging benefits, hydrating benefits, and also it's an amazing antioxidant just like the vitamin C. And the ferulic acid is amazing to deliver the vitamin C into our skin. So the whole delivery system of these vitamin C serums are just amazing. So it just works beautifully. My next favorite serum is the Pixi Vitamin C serum. I'm not able to show these guys because they are all stuck in my house at Kuwait. I was planning to make this video a whole year ago, and then I came here and I got stuck here and COVID happened and blah blah blah. Anyways, the Pixi Vitamin C is also an amazing vitamin C serum. It's available all over the world, in India, abroad, in Middle East, Europe, US, everywhere. And finally, my 10th favorite vitamin C serum is another one from India, and this is the Neemly Vitamin C serum, and this is the hyaluronic and vitamin C. So this also comes in a very easy, fast absorbing gel formula. This has fragrance, I'm assuming, from essential oils. So if you are sensitive to fragrance or essential oil, this might not be the one for you. By the way, I do not know if I mentioned it or not. The Sugandha one is essential oil and fragrance free. So if you are sensitive to essential oil or fragrance, guys, this one does not have it. So these are the 10 vitamin C serums that I have tried and tested over the last couple of years. I really, really like them, and you will not be disappointed if you try any of these 10 vitamin C serums. Now, I want to talk about 2 vitamin C serums that are quite popular in the market, but that just did not work for me. One is the Dot and Key vitamin C serum. I used about half of this bottle, and the problem is that I don't find any benefit to it at all. I just feel like I'm just applying a hydrating serum on my skin. Also, the same goes with all of Dot and Key serums. It is so highly fragranced, and we can never see a full ingredients list of this. So I don't know what kind of vitamin C ingredient they use. You know, all the other vitamin C's that I spoke about, you can go to their website and they have a full ingredients list. You know what kind of vitamin C derivative they are using. But with Dot and Key, they only talk about some plums and apples and kiwis. So I'm like, wait, what is the percentage? What derivative are you using? Like, I don't know anything about it. So I just don't feel confident. I'm just not convinced that I'm getting anything out of this when I use it. So if you have used the Dot and Key vitamin C serum and gotten good results out of it, let me know down in the description bar below. Another vitamin C serum that I just did not enjoy is the St.boranica vitamin C serum. First of all, when I got it itself, the serum was dark orange in color. And I remember when I had gone for an event with The Ordinary, they were talking about vitamin C and how it's made. And they said that a lot of brands add yellow or orange color in their vitamin C serum so that even when the vitamin C serum goes bad, people can't really notice the difference because it's already been orange and yellow. So I always look for a vitamin C serum that is clear in color, and once it goes yellow orange, I just toss it. I don't use it anymore. So all the vitamin C serums that I spoke about today come in a clear, nice, transparent, gel-like texture, except the St.boranica one. And it also had some sediments in it, which I was just like, I didn't understand it, and it didn't feel good on my skin. It was so sticky and thick, and I just didn't get it. So I don't know, again, if I got a spoiled batch or a bad batch. I got it off of Nykaa, and I know a lot of people complain about products that they get from Nykaa. So let me know if you have tried the St.boranica vitamin C and you had a different experience, but this was my experience. And I stopped using it after 5 days because I even felt like it was kind of breaking me out and all that. I just didn't like it. And that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you're enjoying Jovi's Beauty Awards 2020 so far. And remember, I love you. I hope you're having a fabulous week so far. I shall catch you in my next one, and also on Instagram. I love you. Mwah.